week, we kicked off the Fall Big Exam Prep Workshop where students were introduced to building their exam application skills. Emily Alva, who's one of our students, brought up a great point. How do you know and trust if what you thought you answered correctly on the actual exam is actually correct, or is it incorrect? There is one way to do that. Now, it can't be from the actual exam, obviously, but you can mimic an exam experience when you take mock exams and take the time to analyze why you got certain questions wrong. Was it knowledge-based, meaning you didn't know the task list item well enough? Or was the mistake a test-taking behavior issue, like you read too fast or missed an important word or detail? Now, doing this type of assessment across many mocks will give you a sample of what could happen or maybe has happened during the real exam. And if you find that across many exams you are making specific behavior-based mistakes versus making knowledge-based mistakes, then maybe you do know this stuff, but you've got some behaviors that get in the way of your knowledge being the only thing controlling your responding.